Hello students, how are you? This is 11 biology practical of family Fabaceae. You have to observe vegetative and reproductive parts of this family. Family Fabaceae, also known as legume family or Papilionaceae family. This family includes systematic position, floral diagram, corolla diagram, distinguishing characters, floral formula, and diagnostic features. First, we see systematic position. Division is spermatophyta, subdivision angiospermy, class Dicotyledone, subclass Polypetalae, series Caliciflorae, order Rosales, family Fabaceae. Okay, this is about systematic position of family Fabaceae. Then we see distinguishing characters. Number one is habit. It is annual herb. It completes its growth cycle and germination in 1 year. It is herb. It is 3 to 4 footed herb and climber. It needs support. It takes support with the help of plants leaf tendrils. Okay. Second, root. Root is taproot system. It is having root nodules. There are nitrogen fixing bacteria on taproot. These are very useful bacteria. It fixes nitrogen and it is useful to the plant. Okay. Stem. Stem green climbing capacity. Leaves are pinnate, typically consist of 2 leaflets. Terminal leaflet is modified into tendril. Coil-like structure is there. It is tendril and its function is to give support to the plant. Okay. The leaf is compound. It may be pinnate or bipinnate. Alternate, petiolate and stipulate. Okay. Inflorescence, racemose type. Do you know racemose type? In this type, the younger flower is towards the base. See here, this is stalk. Younger flower is towards the upper position and older flower is towards lower position. These are older flowers and these are younger flowers. This type of inflorescence is racemose type of inflorescence. Okay. Flower. Flower is zygomorphic with bilateral symmetry. It is complete flower, bisexual with male and female gamete. Hypogynous. Hypogynous means ovary is at top position. Okay. See this diagram, this is ovary. It is in top position. Below that there is calyx and corolla. The ovary is covered with calyx and corolla. Okay. This is hypogynous flower. The flower is papilionaceous. This means the butterfly shape. and it is complete. Calyx is 5 sepals, gamosepalous and valvate estivation. I told you in my before videos what is valvate estivation. This type of estivation consists of a whorl of sepals that are not overlapping and they are arranged in whorl, their ends are united. Okay, this is valvate type of estivation. Corolla, 5 petals, they are free, means they are polypetalous. Okay, petals are divided into posterior petal, waxillum, then it overlap with wings, it turns to overlap with keels, keels are united. Corolla is 1 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, the estivation of corolla is waxillary. I draw the diagram here, the waxillary estivation of corolla. See, this is posterior petal, it is overlapped with two wings, it turns to overlap with two united keels. Okay, this is the whole arrangement of corolla. Then androecium. Stamens are diadelphous. They present in two group. 9 stamens in one group. They are united and one is free. Okay. This condition is known as diadelphous stamens. Stamens are bisexual. Gynoecium. Gynoecium consists of monocarpellary ovary. It is free, superior with marginal placentation and style is bending, stigma is simple. Okay. Then seed. Seed is rounded in shape and it is non-endospermic and exalbuminous. Now next is fruit. Fruit is legume or pod. Legume contains seeds inside it. Then floral formula of this family is the flower is irregular with bilateral symmetry, that is zygomorphic, bisexual, calyx, gamosepalous, 5 in number, corolla, 5 polypetalous. It represents 1 plus 2 plus 2. Androecium, 9 plus 1. Put 9 in bracket because they are in one group. Only one stamen is free in this family. Okay, student? Gynoecium is monocarpellary, superior and with marginal placentation. Okay, this is about floral formula of Fabaceae family. Then floral diagram consisting of outermost calyx 5 in number united, corolla consists of 5 petals, 1 waxillum, 2 wings, 2 keels are united. Then stamens, we see here the position of stamen, they are in two group, 9 stamens in one group, they are united and one is free. Gynoecium monocarpellary superior and with marginal placentation. Okay, this is about the floral diagram. This is bract and this is the sign for superior. The example of Fabaceae. The common examples are legumes, sweet pea, आपण ज्या डाळी वगैरे खातो, ग्राम, तूर डाळ, ह्या सगळ्या डाळी फॅबेसी फॅमिली मध्ये येतात. ओके, सो these are the distinguishing character, floral formula, floral diagram and systematic position. The diagnostic features of this family, there are few features. There is presence of nitrogen fixing bacteria in taproot system. The taproot system is tapering towards the soil. Okay, there are small node like structures on root. They are nothing but nitrogen fixing bacteria. These are useful for plants and this seen in only the family Fabaceae. The second feature of this family is leaves are pinnate. Terminal leaflet is modified into tendril. Tendril is for support and they are petiolate and stipulate. Stem is green, root is taproot system, habit is annual herb, it is climbing. You know, inflorescence is racemose, flower is zygomorphic, bisexual, hypogynous, papillonaceous. One more diagnostic feature of this family is fruit is legume, seed is non-endospermic. There is, you see here, there is odd arrangement of petals. This is also diagnostic feature of Fabaceae. The estivation of corolla is waxillary. Okay, these are all distinguishing and diagnostic feature of family Fabaceae. Students, if you like my video, you should check the videos and you should subscribe our channel.